Right, good morning guys. So,
here we are.
last night in Paris, last day in Paris, isn't it? We're heading off now.
Yes.
We're we're doing something we've never done before. When we get to Manchester Airport, we're going to take the train, aren't we? Train into Wigan, and then probably an Uber home. So, let's start this journey off.
First, we've got to get an Uber from here.
Yeah, first we'll say bye to Dawn and Ken because we're leaving them here. They're staying till Thursday, isn't it? So we'll see them on Thursday.
And get a coffee before we go.
Get a coffee. We'll show you a quick look at the room. Not very big.
It's tiny.
It's tiny. There's the door.
Fast.
Go on, walk round the bed, Stephen.
Look at this. There's a table there, it can't move round. Small tiny area here. And it's red hot.
It's boiling in this room. Then you come through. Then you've got a tiny bathroom, but I suppose it does its purpose.
Yeah.
We've only slept here and changed and showered, haven't we?
It's done that for us, okay, so...
So let's go down and get some Uber.
Traffic in Paris, Alison.
I'll cover that side.
Man busy. This is our first leg of our journey.
Yeah.
It's not too bad here now. It's running pretty fast, isn't it? Yes, we go, we're not stopped, anyway.
Oh no, yeah.
Our next stop, Charles de Gaulle Airport. It should be the right half an hour, that.
Yeah, it should be. Yeah,
should be.
9:52.
9:52. See you at the airport. I think we spoke too early, Alison.
No, we're still getting there at the same time.
Oh, where?
Yeah.
That for a sound system there.
It's cool, that.
Yeah. Motorbike on it. It's set to raining too now.
Oh yeah?
A bit of rain. What time are we arriving?
9:55.
Oh, not too bad. What time is it now?
5:30.
Oh, 25 minutes then. Well, made it to Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport, Terminal 2D.
2D, 3-digit departures.
Well, it's a bad ride, wasn't
No,
that?
it's okay. Smooth.
Smooth. Stop and started on motorways, but very easy on time.
Well, how long does it take us? 55 minutes to get here.
55 minutes. It's not too bad, is it?
No. We're going to check in our day.
Yeah.
Go to.
Yeah, check in. Have a look.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Let's go and check in.
Yes, let's go.
Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport.
Yeah.
Let's go to our gate now.
Oh, security.
Passport control.
She said just past the shop on your right.
It's down here.
That was simple enough, weren't it? Bag drop off.
A minute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Going through buzz. Where is it, down here? On past the shops?
Past the shop on your right, she said.
Right.
We've got to do security. Here, see?
Where is it?
Here,
Alright.
I think.
Yes. Gates, yeah? What gate are we on?
I don't know.
I'll check the gates first before we go through there. I'll be up there, won't it? You see it? Manchester there. B11.
Says boarding. Oh no, that's 10:15.
10:15 on that. You see ours anywhere? Times.
Manchester.
Oh, there it is.
On time, B20.
B20. Right, let's go through here.
Yes.
Right, Alison, we're going to 2B,
Yeah.
which is 20-minute walk
20
away.
minute walk, it says.
And it's busy. I don't know. I don't know what you, not the thing is, they've got drinks over there. Just for a boarding. It's busy in here. I think because it's narrow too.
I know, yeah.
Not narrow, so we'll find out queues there now, see. Let's go through it is. Yeah. Where's it going to? It's not going to a shop, sure, that queue. It's still right down here. Oops, no queue, we have to join that.
I'm intrigued now for the queue.
Click and collect.
Still queuing all the way down there.
Still going down?
I think Stephen we might have to go.
Alright. Find out. I don't want not joining that queue, it is.
We have to join that queue.
Yeah. Oh, you're joking. Let's have a look up here. Imagine that queue as we have to. Oh no, it's way down there.
I know.
So you've got to go through there to get through. What is this?
To get
To get to.
Yeah, we're me. Alright, Stephen, let's go and join the queue.
I hate queuing. Oh, so was the end of this queue? Was the end of it? Jeez, it's all the way down there. This is the first. Well, this is the end of the queue. It's took us 5 minutes to walk to the end of it. Right to the bottom. Is this for Terminal B, yeah?
Terminal B.
That's way down there.
All the way down.
However, if you do have a device on board today that does not have a plane mode feature, just kindly switch this off until we land into Manchester, thank you.
Aeroplane mode when it's late.
Get our cases now and then we're going to catch the train.
Yes. And that case is ready to come off.
Yeah. I don't know which one. They're empty these. In its heyday, all these would have been running at once, wouldn't they? But this is the last couple of days of using this airport, this terminal.
Paris, Saint-Germain over here.
Charles de Gaulle.
There you go.
Let's go and get it.
Right, put them all there. Put the coat on first. Coat on.
So this is Paris and Copenhagen.
Which one's first?
We found the train station.
Left to the station.
Side sit on floor 1, the station. Right, let's walk to the station.
Travelator's not working.
Nope.
Welcome
So
to England.
we have to walk.
You can walk on them.
Not long. You can walk on them, yeah, but no point.
We're not sure we'll get past people, it is.
Right, go and get a ticket now, Stephen. Right, Stephen, made it to
Manchester
train
Airport.
station.
I've got to change at Salford Crescent.
Yeah, and then get off at Wigan and get home from Wigan.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Stephen, looks like our train's here. That's our first train done.
Yeah.
You have to wait for, can't see that, can you? 15:09. Our next train.
Yeah. Right, time's our train due in now.
No, 15:15.
What time is it supposed to be in? 15:03.
Yeah.
So it's 10 minutes late, that's all. Easy.
Would have been home now if we'd have drove.
Don't set that off.
We would.
What? What's traffic? Traffic's better motorway.
I don't care, we could have gone another way. We'd have still been home.
I don't think we would.
We've been in country over 2 hours. Here we are, Stephen, Wigan Wallgate.
Finally back to Wigan Wallgates. One short.
Took a while.
One short tube around now. And back up. It took us 3 hours.
3 hours.
3 hours, yeah. It's been an adventure.
Have you got it at your system now till we go to Benidorm?
Again,
Yeah, but only one way to Benidorm.
Long way to be, wasn't it?
A long one way. Right, should we go and get an Uber?
Yeah, Uber now.
And it's gone nippy now. Hasn't it?
Got to be put on your case on these steps, won't you?
Eh?
Put on your case on these steps.
Hold up. Home.
Here we are. And she's happy now.
Eh?
She's happy now.
When we get in.
It's only 10 minutes away now.
Let's see how long the Uber's going to take.
We'll be home.